What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over the 12 sponges that we got from Temu. So 12 pack for $2. Now, this is what a $2 Temu sponge look like, a 12 pack. And here is the name brand that you usually get from the stores, Walmart, Sam's Club, and all that. I don't know the name of it, but once I find the name, I'll post it right there. So, bristle, I guess you would call this a bristle. Wherever you call this green part, that's what you call it. I call it the bristle. Alright, feels almost the same. It's a little bit thicker when it comes to the name brand, right there. And obviously, the sponge is thicker here. But this sponge on here looks more like a sponge. And this is very interesting because I don't know how to do a sponge review. So this will be our pilot sponge review. So right now, this is a new one. So let me get one I have already. So this is one I have already. Alright, we use this for a little while now, and basically everything still maintained. Alright, now we're going to put this sponge underwater. And what am I testing right now? I exactly don't know, but I'm having fun. Alright, put the sponge in water, squeezing it out. Alright. And let's go ahead and put the Temu sponge in water. Now, do I notice a difference? No, I don't notice a difference. Alright. Feels the same. The green rough part feels a little bit, maybe it feels a little bit rougher on the Temu one. Squeeze it out. And nothing. It's the same. That's it. So that will be it with this little cool review. Don't know what anybody needs to know about this. If you need to know anything else about this, let me know so I can make a video about it. But that will be it. And have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe.